Hey guys, so this is Shoham here again. So before we proceed with the video, I just want to apologize for any ambient noises that might be occurring because the construction is going on in my house. Like we're renovating our second floor, so there are some loud ambient noises that might occur in this video. So beforehand, I just want to apologize to all of you for that, and let's proceed with the video, shall we? So today I have another unboxing video for you guys. This is a pretty big one. uh, yeah, this just came in this morning. Okay, let me open this up. Please mind my feet. Okay, so how do I open this up? It's pretty hard to open it with one hand. Let me just pause the camera and open this up. Okay, please bear with me, guys. Okay, so I was able to cut this open. There was some huge amount of sellotape duct over this. So if there's another package that I need to cut open underneath this, then I am going to be really angry. Hopefully there's not anything there. A lot of packaging. Volkswagen has always been like, their packaging has been premium so far. Like I have at least ordered 30-40 times from Volkswagen, and their packaging is always A grade. Okay, so let me just open this stuff up for you guys. Again, it's a duct tape is there. Okay, so not 1 month ago, like around 20 days ago, I ordered a very special comics that is going to be made into a movie. Almost just wait a second, guys. So like I was saying, I ordered a book that will be made into a movie in the forthcoming year 2025, and it would be known as Avengers Kang Dynasty. So this is actually a pretty old Avengers story which was published back in 2000, just before the Avengers disassembled story arc, and it is where Kang basically takes over the world, and the Avengers, they kind of retaliate in response to that. So yeah, it's artwork is a little bit dated, but I've heard that it's pretty epic in scope, and there's a lot of tertiary characters that are most likely to get their own series in Marvel, where they are the main players in this book. So yeah, Kurt Busiek, you can never go wrong with Kurt Busiek when it comes to Avengers stories. He wrote some of the finest stories back in the day for Avengers. Look at that smug face. Okay, so on to the next one. So this is Dresden Files by Jim Butcher. So I actually have read only one of the Dresden books, that is the first one, called Stormfront. It's kind of like you guys remember the spin-off of Buffy the Vampire Slayer called Angel? So it's kind of like that, and mixed with a little bit of the CW series Supernatural. So it's basically about a private detective in Chicago who knows sorcery and who is very, you know, very well adept with occult and all those stuffs. So yeah, there are the first 5 book set, which is Stormfront, Full Moon, Grave Peril, Summer Night, and Death Masks. And I have a whole lot of Dresden File books. Like there are total 18 books in the series, and I have ordered the remaining 13 off of Volkswagen, and they are on the way. And don't tell my parents that I spent quite a bit of money on those books. Well, like not that much, but it was pretty, you know, hefty buy. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for this unboxing video. Let's hope all of you are well, all of you are keeping well, and just wrap this up.